Hello everyone. In this video I'll be sharing with you how to properly make your lemon water for utmost health benefits. Like having hot lemon water first thing in the morning on an empty stomach has a lot of benefits I'll be sharing with you in this video. So you want to stick around and watch this video till the end. So drinking hot lemon water first thing in the morning on an empty stomach is something you want to fall in love with. Try this for 5 days and trust me, you will come back and tell me results, like results. It helps support your system to flush out waste and toxins out of your system. It helps boost your metabolism so you can easily break down food without store up causing belly fat and weight gain. So consuming your hot lemon water in the morning is like preventing belly fat. It helps to flush out excess fats, cholesterol from your system, lowering your cholesterol levels or preventing you from having high bad cholesterol in your system, leading to all those high blood pressure, hypertension, diabetes, all those issues. Having a glass of this in the morning is like saving yourself from all those health complications. No bad fat in your system, no excess cholesterol. You wake up so active as it clears your brain as well, boost your metabolism. Like, this is so good. This is something you want to try for 5 days first. Just try for 5 days and come back and tell me how you really feel about yourself. You will notice a lot of change. You will notice that you easily digest food. You notice that you break down fat so fast. You don't have that bloated big belly. Like, this is a very healthy habit. I do this every morning, but there are some days I can add in my green tea, I can add in ginger, I add in others, but I make sure I always have my lemon water in the morning. I can add other ingredients, but lemons are always in my hot metabolism boosting water in the morning. Like, this is how I start my day, and trust me, it has improved my overall health. So I'll show you how to come up with your lemon water yourself at home to get utmost benefits from your lemon. And trust me, after 5 days of consuming this daily, like for 5 days straight, you will come back and tell me exactly how you feel. So without wasting much of your time, let me take you now and show you how to come up with yours yourself at home and maximize your health, like improve your overall health with lemon water. Voila! So in order to come up with a hot lemon water, the first ingredient you'll be needing, of course, is lemon. So some lemons come in green color. Where I live, we have our lemons looking yellowish. So whichever, lemons are lemons. Lemons have a lot of health benefits you wish you knew and start consuming this. Like, it helps to prevent fat accumulation, which causes obesity, leading to so many health complications. It dissolves bad cholesterol, bad fats from your system, preventing you from suffering from cholesterol issues, high blood pressure, and the rest, diabetes. This is so good to even start consuming and not having all those health complications. And if you have them, this lowers your cholesterol levels, clears bad fats from your system so you don't end up with a lot of belly fat. So I'll be showing you how to properly make your lemon, and what you want to do is to wash your lemon thoroughly. So my lemons have been cleaned, and the first thing you want to do is to grate the zest of the lemon. Like, this lemon peel contains a lot of health and medicinal properties. Like, you don't want to throw it. This is where most of the benefits is found, at on the peel of the lemon. So I want to like grate to get the zest out of the lemon. I'll be using everything, but I'll show you how you finally get to it. So now I want to squeeze out the juice from this lemon, and because I'll separate in 3 stages to finally come up with the lemon juice, the best way you can get your lemon water. So you want to squeeze out the juice from your lemon. I'll be using 1 lemon, and usually what I do is I have this first thing in the morning and last thing at bedtime. So I'll be splitting in 2 portions. I just get like half a lemon in the morning and half at bedtime. You don't want to consume 1 full lemon in the morning. You want to split in 2 and consume half in the morning and the remaining at bedtime, and I'll show you how to go about it. So the next thing you want to do is to heat some water. Hot water alone in the morning is very important as well. It awakens your system. Like, this is so good, dissolving all those bad fats in your system. So what I want to do is I want to boil the peel. I've gotten the juice out of it and the zest. So I'll boil the peel now. This will give me hot water plus all the medicinal benefits on the lemon peel. So you want to boil the peel. So if you don't have an electric cooker like this, you can do it with your pot. You could just need to go to your stove and boil it, and it is still the same. You just make sure it boils, and when it boils you see this greenish color, know it is okay now. This alone, because you can't eat this peel up, and the only way you can get the benefit is from boiling like this, just to have it like your green tea. This is like a substitute for green tea. So it is just like your green tea. Now you're pouring to add in your lemon, yeah, with a lot of health benefits in it. So this is what you want to do, whether it is with your pot or your kettle. You just put in your cup as you normally pour your tea in your cup. This is the first step. So some ingredients, you get the benefits when you cook them. Just like tea, you need to cook your tea before you get the benefits. That is how this lemon peel. But this is the time you put the zest now, because you want it to still be in its best possible form. Like this is when, after you boil the peel, this is when you add in your, like, just watch what I do. I've divided the zest in two. I'll be using half at bedtime. The lemon too, I'll be dividing to, just to make sure I use half of it, and half of a lemon is 2 tablespoons. So one full lemon is like 4 tablespoons. So I will just be having 2 tablespoons of it. As you see, these are 2 tablespoons in my tea, and the remaining of these I'll be having last thing at bedtime. So this is it in here. You just put in your refrigerator, pour in your tea at bedtime. Just heat it up and pour the remaining for at bedtime. That way it is easier. So you can consume it like this. Most especially in the morning, it is good to add in some honey, because honey gives you energy. Honey is that good sugar that will give you energy. When you consume it, it's so good, and plus it gives you energy to be able to break down and burn down fats. You want to put honey, not sugar. Honey is healthy, but sugar will instead add a lot of calories. Like if you add in sugar here, you've destroyed everything. But honey is the healthy alternative you want to go for. So just like this, you can have it, or you can have it with, you add your green tea in here. There are days I add in my green tea. I can add in my mint tea as well, or I can add in ginger, depending on my mood that morning, or cinnamon powder. But this is it. This is how you make your lemon water. The lemon is the very important in here now. So this is how you make your lemon water and consume it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. It awakens your system. Yeah, so that is it. Go ahead and try for 5 days. Come back and tell me how you feel overall. Your overall health will be improved, like really improved. So thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and bye.